We have also officially announced FZ2000. The product name will be 2500 in Indian market. This is a high-end hybrid bridge camera. You can say this is a bridge version of our top-end model GH4. This camera incorporates 1-inch image sensor and 20 times optical zoom lens, which we newly developed. And the video recording capability also covers all of the GH4's formats, and also additionally we put high-speed 120 frames per second Full HD shooting. So this lens is delicately developed for video usage, so you can enjoy the really smooth slow zoom or really stable zoom. So I think this camera will be one of the best camera for wedding videographers. Thank you very much.